MEI, Self-Setting Automatic Slack Adjuster, is a clearance sensing brake adjuster which maintains optimal clearance between brake lining and brake drum. In addition, it works as a lever to move the brake shoe to the drum through the S-cam. How does it work? When the brake is applied, control arm fixed onto the anchor bracket permits the mechanism to rotate through the clearance angle, and the shoe contacts the drum. On further application, the torque increases and the worm shaft is moved axially, causing the heavy coil spring to compress and the disengagement of the clutch worm gear. During brake release, the torque decreases and the clutch mechanism advances, reducing the sensed excess clearance by rotation of the worm shaft in small increments. Full adjustment takes place after few brake applications and release.